crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and thanks for stopping in for just a few minutes so we can talk about day 10. I can't believe it's almost over, and it's really kind of getting sad to me. This is a unboxing of the 12 days of quilting. You would think at 10 days I would remember that, but I don't. I still need to look. 12 days of quilting by the Open Gate Quilt group down in for 2024. This is day 10. Very happy with the packaging, the way things turned out this year. So far, Monique has knocked things out of the park. This box has absolutely not disappointed. Each day gives me something different, something unique, and a couple of things like that I've wanted and I just hadn't bought, and all of a sudden they showed up in her box, which is just really freaky to me because whatever she seems to put together in that just always lands with me. So we are on day 10 on December 10th, and I want to rip into this, and I literally did today. I rip into this. Let's rip in and see what treasure we get today. Sorry for all the paper noise. So today, our product to help us, and let's put my glasses on and I can tell you, these are Easy Press pens. Piece like an expert with the Easy Press pen. Press on the pen nip to prime the pen. Gently glide along the seam. Wait 5 to 10 seconds and press in an up and down motion with your dry iron set to wool. Replacement pins are available and now can be used. So how cool is that? So this is basically a glue stick, or as they call it, an Easy Press pen for your binding. And Lord knows I've got the binding stacked up and things that I need to work on. So I've never used this, have no clue if I'm going to like it or if I'll even figure out how to use it, but I probably will, just because I've been wanting to try it. And someone actually in Quilt Club the other day said, are you gluing your bindings before you sew them? I'm like, no, it just, for some reason, it just seems like yet another mess for me to deal with. Plus, I don't know that I want it on my needles and whatever. This may actually be a nice alternative and may be something that I would enjoy using. And it is by Acorn, is the manufacturer of this. So pretty happy with this gift. We'll see when I get to use it. Probably be after the first of the year because I'm finishing binding on a few quilts for gifts, and I just can't introduce any more into my life at the moment. But guys, thanks for dropping in. Hit that thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Hit that bell if you want to be notified each and every time I go live or release a new video. If you are not a subscriber, please, please, please subscribe. It makes such a difference for us as content creators. And as always, crafters, until next time, happy crafting.